Hi everyone, we came here now in front of Busan X the Sky to ride the Meepo Blueline Park train. We'll also ride the Songjeong Sky Capsule still and the Blueline Park train. The seats are facing this way where we can see the ocean. It's a nice view. There's also a walkway that we can walk near the train. The train is not that fast, about 50 kilometers per hour. Now let's go to get the ticket and go. I'll tell you why they put the rails on here. Because the way before, the trains went around here and now they try to take it off, but that cost too much money. So they put it on here and now it's still on here. And I don't know when they put this on here. It leads all the way over there. It doesn't look like it's ending, but soon these become the rails for the Blueline train. Let's follow it. People who are watching, I'm terribly sorry. We cannot ride the sea train, but we can ride the sky capsule. It is about 4 kilometers per hour. It's really slow, and I'll ride the sea train in the next video. We can walk to Cheongsa-po if my legs are okay to deal with it. So let's go to walk there. Before I didn't take the video, but I ran a 3-kilometer marathon. We came in 30 minutes. The Blueline train is coming. The Blueline train is coming. It's a green one again. The sea train is coming again. This time it's red.
발 조심하시고요. 들어주세요. 머리 조심하세요. 야, 이 머리 조심하세요.
Now we are going back to Meepo station.